Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an AC compressor. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. It's crucial to have the AC system professionally discharged to avoid refrigerant release. Gather your tools, including a wrench set and socket set, to ensure a smooth process. This preparation saves time and prevents potential hazards, making the replacement straightforward and safe for you. Next, let's get to the compressor itself. You'll typically find it on the lower front side of your engine. You might need to remove some splash shields or drive belts to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors and the refrigerant lines. Be gentle with these connections to prevent damage, as they are vital for the system's operation. Take your time here for a clean removal. Now for the removal and installation. Unbolt the old compressor from its mounting brackets. It might be a bit heavy, so be prepared. Carefully position the new compressor, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the mounting points. Securely bolt it into place. For best results in system longevity, it's highly recommended to replace the accumulator or dryer and the expansion valve at this stage. This prevents contamination and ensures efficient operation. Finally, it's time to recharge and test your AC system. First, evacuate the system using a vacuum pump for at least 30 minutes to remove all moisture and air. Then, recharge with the correct amount and type of refrigerant, typically specified on a label under your hood. Start your engine, turn on the AC, and check for proper cooling. Also, carefully inspect for any leaks using a leak detector. Enjoy your cool air.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.